Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Magil. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is a very exciting day for me because I'm going to be doing a full face of glam because I have my birthday coming up in 2 days. My intention was to make the video on my birthday, which would have made it more, apt, right? But I don't think I'll have time on my birthday to make a video because I will be celebrating with family and friends, which is why I choose to do it today, which is a Thursday. So in 2 days time I'm going to have my birthday, or in a day's time I'm going to have my birthday. And I have some new makeup products which I purchased, which I'd like to showcase to you guys. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts and seeing how I apply these products and just having fun with me for the rest of the day, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, the eyeshadow palette we're going to be using today is Supreme Seductress. I purchased this from Amazon.com. The palette comes with 18 shades in here. There are a lot of beautiful warm toned shades, and there are also some glitter shades in here. This is a palette I purchased from Amazon, the one I'm going to use to achieve an eye look today. So I'm going to try to achieve this first look today. Yeah. To prime my eyelid today, I'm going to be using the Loreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 415 Honey. Now I'm using a small angled shaped brush to blend out the concealer. You can also use a beauty blender to blend out the product. Setting your eyelids with a setting powder is optional, but for me, it helps me apply the eyeshadow to my already concealed eyelids smoothly without it sticking to the wet concealer. For my transition shade today, I'm going to be using, I'm conflicted between these two, so I'm going to start with this. This is more orange than this, so I'm going to start with this one. The color name is Single. This is Single. So I'm going over my crease with this product, just back and forth over my crease area. Now the color payoff is not bad. I'm having some fallout. This shade is called Prospect. I'm going to apply this color all over my lid. So I'm pressing this on my crease now and just bringing it out down here. So I'm going to go over my crease again with the same brush. I wanted to transition into the other color smoothly and nicely. This is why I'm blending both of them together. So I'm going to come back and add a darker color on the outer and inner corner of my eyelid. For now, I'm going to take my finger and go into the shade Double Tap. Double Tap is the shade over here. I mean, it's a beautiful color, but the color payoff on the lid is not as pigmented as I expected it to appear on the eyelids. Sorry guys, I didn't know my camera wasn't recording, and I was doing the talk tree with this. To line my eyes, I'm going to be using this waterproof liquid eyeliner by Filt'r. This is a mini size. So I'm going to use a chocolate color I used for my eyelid. this one Prospect. I'm going to use it over my lower eyelid. This is so it doesn't just look bare, as if it has nothing to do with the upper lid that has some color on it. So I just want to add some color to make it look like it's part of the pair, or part of the whole look. So for lashes, I purchased these lashes recently from Amazon. It's called Kosei. I think that's the name of the seller. Kosei Wispy Lashes. Okay guys, for foundation today we're going to be using the Loreal Infallible Foundation Up to 24 Hour Wear Foundation. This is in the shade 525. This foundation is Longwear, lightweight and breathable. It defies transfer hour after hour, so it doesn't transfer according to the claims here. It's an up to 24 hour natural finish with buildable coverage. It resists transfer, sweat and remains breathable all day. The color stays true all day, that means it doesn't oxidize. Infused with SPF 25, non-comedogenic and suitable for all skin types. How to use: apply all over the face with your fingers or a brush, or use a beauty sponge to blend. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing a wear test today, it's just to get ready with me, so we're going to use this. So I'm going to shake it. Because like I said, I have the shade 525. And it comes with a pump. Awesome. For primer, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This primer has a very tacky feel to it, but it works very well with most foundations. I've been using it for a while and I like it. I think it works very well with most foundations. This is what the shape looks like on the back of my hand. It looks a bit red. Let's see how it works on me. It has a smell. I don't know. It smells like a bit like a fragrance, but when I'm about to conclude it's a fragrance, then I change my mind because it smells like something else. Okay, not a bad shade match. Seriously. I like the coverage too, it goes on smoothly. That smell, I feel like I know what it is, but I just can't put my finger in it. I just don't know. Now it blends out really easily and I'm getting flawless coverage. Natural, like you said. Yeah, I'm not getting it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel like a thick or heavy foundation. It feels very lightweight. And it's easy to blend out too. It's kind of red for me. My face is just like an orange ball or something right now. There's a distinct smell this foundation has. It reminds me of another smell that I can't just put my fingers on. Every time it hits me, I'm like, that smell. I know that smell, but I can't remember what it is now. I like the finish. It's a very natural, radiant finish. So this is a foundation, guys. I'm still gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, which I use to conceal my eyelids. This is in the shade 415 Honey. I'm gonna let that sit for a while, and then for bronzer I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Match Trio Sticks. I'm going to use the shade Espresso. So I'm going to just this concealer is very full coverage, which I like. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in the shade Deep Peach. So I'm going to use the bronzer brush and then clean up this area that has concealer on it. Don't want it to have a harsh look over there. For my all over face powder, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder in the shade Nutmeg. So I purchased the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Bronzer a couple of days ago from Ulta. I purchased the shade 500 Dark. This is what it looks like. The reason why I purchased this is because I saw this advertised on Instagram. I think it was advertised on Trend Moods page. I'm not too sure, I can't remember. So it made me very curious and I was like, I need to see this and try this. That's what the color looks like. It looks red against my hand. So my hands are lighter than my face. So, and it shows up on my hand. So there's hope that's going to show up on my face as well. Well, it has a lot of fallout too. Shows up. It seems to have some grayish undertones too. It's basically red, but it seems to have some grayish undertones in it. I'm just glad it's showing up. Oh, do I like it? Yeah, I do. But I'm still on the fence. How does it compare with my Benefit Hoola bronzer, which I use very often? I think I still prefer my Benefit Hoola bronzer, but we should see. You know, this is my first time applying it. I might get to like it as the days go by. So it's just me talking like a kid that says, I don't like this one. I like this one. I like it. I think it's a very unique color that I'm not used to. I like it. I think I'm going to get to like it even more. So I want to try this again. I didn't like it the first time I applied it. This is Milk Makeup Flex Highlighter in the shade Glazed. Highlighter is very pigmented. It doesn't even give you a chance to blend. Just if you take too much, you yawn. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Super Femme Fanned Out Mascara, which I have in mini size for my lower lashes. For blush, I'm going to be using the AOA Studio Perfect Blush in the shade Kindle. I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray in the shade Lavender. So guys, for my inner corner, I'm going to go back into this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the shade Lingerie, this color here. For my lips today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris. So guys, for my lips today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris lip color in the shade. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay guys, this is the final look with all of the products I used today. What was your favorite thing about this makeup look? Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section below. For me, my favorite thing about this whole makeup look was, trying to get this look, the eye look. Yeah, I was very excited for the look, although I felt a bit underwhelmed with the shade I used as my middle or center color. I felt, if you look at the picture which the model used, you think, I'll get more color payoff from that shade, but I didn't. Probably because I used my finger. Next time I use it, I'm going to try using the brush, but I think you should be able to get more color payoff from using your fingers, because now you can manipulate it properly. But I don't know. But it's all good. We're able to create this other look here. And I like the foundation. I really like it. It was able to give me good coverage. Seriously. Don't forget to tell me about your favorite thing and tell me about the products you intend to purchase. I like the bronzer, but we shall see. It might soon become my favorite thing. Who knows? Thank you guys for coming back to watch more videos. For those of you who are returning, thank you for clicking and giving more views. I appreciate it a lot. For my OG subscribers, you guys are closest to my heart. Thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you keep coming back. I hope you comment, hope you like, and I hope you keep coming back. Okay guys, until my next video, have a blessed day and stay safe.